guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hugo, and today we're going to see what's going to be the portfolio the performance of the past week. So if you want to copy of my trades, you can do it by go to eToro and search my nickname Kenite, and you can start to copy. I can tell you that at the moment isn't going to be probably a good option to start to copy, or I'll wait a few more days because the market's going to fall for the next upcoming week. Although I do have a profitability of around the 83.57, which we're going to see more towards the end of the video. And so far, I've been one of the profitable on eToro, having consideration or comparing my portfolio with the top 10 that are being more copied on eToro. In terms of the US market, they fall of around 3.20%, and my portfolio went down around 2.73%. Having this in consideration, we still are overperforming the market, which is good. Almost around 0.5%, which is good. These days, everything is good if it's above or outperforming the market. In terms of the portfolio loss, we now have a loss on the portfolio with around minus 4.28%. I don't have any intentions of sell anything unless if I have a profit. Although I hope that the TQQ could manage an increase, but that didn't happen. This week we still going to see a fall on the market, so we may see another loss of around 1% at least. In the past 12 months, in terms of returns, we now have a negative return of 3.54%, but this is nothing that alerts me, because I do think that the market is going to increase in the next upcoming months. Although May is going to be a little bit critical, but I do think this year it's not as standard as any other years that we've seen. In the past 12 months, in terms of profitability, we still have a profitability of 83.72%, as I mentioned on my copy. This week, which is not being represented here, what pushed down my portfolio was actually the crypto, which went down quite a lot. At the end, Bitcoin went down, and that's why it pushed my portfolio a bit lower than the UK market. Otherwise, I'll be performing the UK market as well as I've been doing in the past months. In terms of the top winners and the top losers, so we have Alibaba with an increase of 6.92%, but although Alibaba is quite negative, it's around 48% on my entire on my portfolio. We have MG, which is the Chinese ETFs, with the increase as well, with a 3.72%, but although this is still not enough, because they are around minus 30% or something. Unilever with an increase of 1.20%, Gen with an increase of 0.64%, but with an increase of 0.45%, although we still see here the UK markets increasing, but this is not significant to the overall of my portfolio. It's not enough. Amazon, and this is one of the reasons here, you can see Amazon went down around minus 14%, TQQ minus 13%, but this is not something that caused me too much of alarm, because this is an ETF that when it grow 3 times higher, and I'm not really concerned about this. Intel, it's negative with 6.94%, ABVV with a decrease of 6.08%, and I did sell ABVV, a few stocks of ABVV the past week with 100% of profit. Now they went down, which was good, and we have stock was good, not the stock went down, was good. I've sold with a lot of profit, and we had store with a decrease of 4.98%. In terms of the overall balance and growth stocks, this didn't change much. We didn't have too much of a shift. We did have received the payments for this week from AMZA. New acquisition we done none. Open orders we have done none. In terms of close orders, we did sell, as I mentioned, BAT with a 31.37% of profit. We did have some average on the TQQ. The top pay is still SDIV. ARR is still 14.29% of dividend yield, and my portfolio is still undervalued in 55.8. Actually, they didn't yeah, we did have the increase here for 1% from last week, and we did have a portfolio growth of future growth of 11.6, and in terms of past performance of around 7.39%. So I hope you enjoyed the information of my portfolio from the past week. Once again, if you have anything, please leave a comment and I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Or if you want to see anything else seen on these videos, please let me know and I'll try to include on the next upcoming video. Once again, thank you, cheers, and have a nice week.